Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. 2025 is here, and if you're looking to take control of your money, this is the perfect place to start. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone trying to be smarter with money, today I'm breaking down how to do financial planning in 2025 in simple, actionable, and stress-free method. So let's dive in. First step, set your financial goals. First things first, you need to know where you're going. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve financially this year? Is it saving for a trip, buying a bike or car, clearing debt, or building an emergency fund? Tip: set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, I want to save rupees 1 lakh by December 2025. That's a SMART goal. Now moving to step 2, that is make a budget. Build a budget that works for you. The easiest way to start? Use the 50-30-20 rule. So what does this mean? 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% to wants, dining out, shopping, travel. 20% to savings or debt repayment. Track your expenses using apps like Walnut, Inab, or even Google Sheets. Coming to step 3, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. That's why an emergency fund is essential. Save at least 3 to 6 months of your expenses in a separate bank account. Start small. Even Indian rupee 1,000 a month is a good start. Next, step 4, start investing. Now comes the exciting part, investing. Don't let inflation eat up your savings. In 2025, here are a few smart options. Mutual funds, SIP. Great for beginners, fixed deposits, low risk, low return, and gold, digital/ETF, safe haven. Stocks or index funds for long-term wealth. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Always do your research or consult a financial advisor. Step 5, that is avoid common mistakes. Here are 3 money mistakes people still make in 2025. Spending before saving. Having no plan for debt. Not tracking where money goes. Be mindful of your habits. They define your financial future. Conclusion: financial planning is not just about saving money. It's about building a life where money works for you, not against you. Start small, stay consistent, and review your plan every month. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs it. Drop a comment below if you want a video on best investment apps in India or a beginner's guide to SIPs. Thanks for watching. Let's make 2025 your best financial year yet.